The slow eccentric barbell sumo is a great exercise for training your leg strength. This exercise specifically targets your glutes as well as your quadriceps and adductors. You'll need a barbell for this exercise. Begin standing and holding the barbell with your hands right underneath your shoulders, straight arms, and then step your legs out wide, turning your toes to 45 degrees. Beginning with a tall posture with your shoulders down and back away from your ears, your chest forward, your hips right underneath your shoulders, and a soft bend in your knees. Make sure to brace your core to stabilize your torso through the entire exercise. Now take a deep breath and begin to lower it down by pushing your hips back and bending your knees, making sure that your knees are tracking in the same direction as your toes. As you lower down, think about opening up your hips to stretch out your hip adductor muscles. Stop when the barbell is about mid-shin. Avoid reaching the bar down towards the floor, and instead keep your shoulders down and back and upper back engagement the whole time. Think about driving your shoulder blades down towards your back pockets. Pause for a moment at the bottom before driving through your heels to push the floor away and return back to standing by bringing your hips back forward and straightening out your knees. All the way down and back up is one repetition. As you lower down, take your time, spending about 4 seconds on the eccentric phase before pausing at the bottom and then quickly come back up for 1 second. So the pattern here is lowering down for 4, 3, 2, 1, pausing for 2 seconds at the bottom, and then returning back to the top for 1 second. And because you're holding the weight for such a long time during this exercise, feel free to use wrist straps if you need to, if you find that your grip strength is failing before your legs begin to get tired. We really want to feel this exercise in the quadriceps, adductors, and glutes. You may also feel some activation in your spinal erectors in your back, as well as your lats, and maybe even your chest from bracing your body to hold the bar. But the prime movers here are in the legs. Continue to lower down and come back up for the number of repetitions recommended in your training program.